Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by configuring the canvas and timeline so frames behave predictably. Set your resolution and frame rate first, for example 1920 by 1080 at 24 FPS, then enable the animation docker so the timeline and onion skin tools appear. Create a new document and add a transparent paint layer named Rough or Key. Once done, make sure to save a working copy. Now add a new frame on frame 1 and draw the first pose. This is your anchor for subsequent. You'll block the main keyframes across the timeline, spacing poses where motion changes. Place keyframes on numbered frames and use the onion skin with half opacity to see previous and next drawings. This helps you judge arcs and timing. Once key poses are set, create a new in-betweens pass. Duplicate the key layer, lower opacity, then draw breakdowns between keys. Make clean line work on a top layer using vector or stabilizer brushes. This keeps lines editable and ready for coloring. You'll finish by cleaning, timing, and exporting the animation. Polish line and color layers, then play the timeline to check timing and motion. Adjust exposure or add duplicate frames for hold. When satisfied, render via File, right arrow render animation, and pick PNG sequence for compositing or MP4 for quick delivery. If you run into vanished frames, check that each frame has the correct layer visibility and that the frame range isn't set incorrectly. Toggling the animation docker refresh often fixes display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.